Hello, my name is Bo Green, and this is the thing that started everything. My grandpa taught me how to fish before I could walk, and then I became obsessed with fishing. So much that I had to learn more, and I obtained my master's degree in marine biology. After graduating and seeing some of the most pristine reefs in the world, I was hooked on traveling. But traveling is expensive. So I decided to work on yachts, and then I made my own yacht and sailed all around the world.
Not bad. Not bad at all. Alright,
Well,
let's go.
it wasn't exactly a sailing yacht, but you get the picture. This trip inspired me to fly to New Zealand, to hitchhike the South and North Island, and I had the trip of a lifetime.
Begins.
And then I went to fly out to go to Tonga, and I missed my flight.
So, I missed my flight to Tonga. 25 minutes to spare.
I was embarrassed and didn't know what to do, so I turned to my tarot cards that I got from Kauai. Perspective, which means change your perspective and look at your situation in a good way. Note to self, stuff is going to go wrong in your trip, so don't get too attached to your plans.
Well, I've officially consolidated to 2 bags, cut my hair, and now I'm taking a bus up north. Sailboat, here I come.
When I went back to OPUA, I took a more aggressive approach.
Get your crew.
I rode around on a bike, billboard on my chest,
Going over
and I decided to go sailing so I could
lady.
visualize
Doesn't
myself
look like he's
on a
here.
boat.
But there's the boat.
Guys, scan the horizon. That's what the professionals do. If you see anything cool, like penguins.
On this trip, Captain Dave taught us how to sail, he showed us some penguins,
To the
he showed us how to
untrained
fish from a boat,
It's like, it is serious.
and he even let me skipper the boat for a while. We anchored up over in Paradise Cove in Puka Island, and I hopped in. Oh yeah, I could get used to
And
this.
we're sailing.
Now that I had everything all
Sailing,
visualized,
a little bit of
I was
hybrid.
ready to hit the docks. And what did I find right when I got back to the laundry room? A posting for crew wanted to Tahiti.
Hey, we are on the ALBATROSS.
Right as I was emailing the guy,
45 foot.
he was outside, so he invited me on his boat and I checked it out.
2 bathrooms. Shower.
He offered me a position on the trip, and I was really excited to go to Tahiti. A couple days after, however, he left without me,
On this guy.
and I was really upset. 2 weeks later, I found out that he abandoned his ship and was rescued by the Coast Guard. So I did what any upset person would do. I went, I met new people, and I had a frickin' blast.
I am currently on a sea trial, and the air couch floats.
I put a smile on my face and said yes to every opportunity. And it seemed like everybody tried to help me get on a boat. I was offered a free place to stay. I bought some freediving fins. And I posted my story on a Facebook page called Sailboat Hitchhikers and Crew Connections. And this post connected me with the most beautiful sailboat I had ever seen. This is the Ice Bear.